I found a perfect weekend getaway for you and your family. Hello, guys. This is LUFASI Nature Park. LUFASI is a place where you come to reconnect, interact, and learn from nature. From the whistles of the trees to the chirpings of the birds and animals in their free habitat, this place provides calmness that flows through your soul. Its location is just on the outside of town, well enough to separate you from the hustles and bustles of the city. We firstly provide guides for tours around the park. I highly recommend our guide, Anida Abasin, as he's very compassionate about his jobs and makes the tour fun.
LUFASI is not a zoo, but a nature park.
This place is divided into three sections. The animal sanctuary. Here you see animals like the donkeys, the monkeys,
Three species of monkeys. This first one is a green velvet monkey. So this is Rocky. Rocky divorced Alex because Alex married him. So Rocky loved kissing, she loved romancing, and ate seeing a woman holding a man, the opposite of Alex, okay? So she plays football and she
dogs, birds,
birders outside the country join with the Nigeria birders, to come to LUFASI for the bird watching. Last year, they discovered more bird species over 82 live in LUFASI. They do go to a play and
the tortoise,
So here we have this big tortoise called the mama tortoise, a female one over 100 years plus. Now, this is African water buffalo. Buffaloes were here in Lagos State before. Because of development and also human killing them for bushing, that particular area called the Jones, after the seven back, because they know that cause this is going in the buffalo. So now they are extinct. The pangolins, the animal cohort, the pangolins. Pangolins are going into extinction. They are inside there. 8 of them, okay? Pangolins are going into extinction here on Earth, and they are scary animals like the fish have a long tongue, feet and are very shy, want to see human like this. The eye, fold and eye. Why? Because we humans are eating them as what? Bush meat.
and horses. Heard the horses are used for Lagos polo sports. The second section is the plants and the trees that makes up the forest.
This is the red iron wood. The wood is called the red iron wood. And it's the wood that is used in constructing of bridges and for building of ship. Okay? The tree is called the acorn tree. You can you see the tree there? Over 300 years plus. Okay? And that is the second acorn tree right there. Okay? More of the ants live in the park. Ants that have two stomachs. One stomach is for holding food for their own consumption, while the second one is to hold food to share with other ants. They are well organized, caring, protecting, loving, feed them one another. And that's why those things that we should learn from the ways of the ants.
And lastly is Lake Moses.
Moses, named after my trainer, played father. We do have the kayaking. Kayaking means the boat you enter, you paddle it yourself, and there are fishes inside the lake, like the catfish, tilapia, and mudfish, bigger fishes, okay? And the depthness of this water is going to this palm tree that you're seeing.
And that is it, guys. We are done for today.
This is where we end the tour.